Thinking that 2022 might just be the year to no longer have a landlord? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and here's a quick quiz to see if 2022 is the time to buy your first home. First, are you ready to put down roots? Buying a home is a long-term decision, so think about staying in this home 5 to 7 years before signing on the dotted line. Second, are you exhausted by noisy neighbors and no private yard space? Buying a home gives you room to stretch your legs and enjoy a little bit more privacy, as well as adding your personal touch to make it home. 3, are you committed to your current job? Lenders will want to see that you have job stability when qualifying to finance your home purchase. 4, what is your debt to income ratio and is it in a healthy place? Lenders will want to see that you have money for the down payment in addition to the closing cost, but it's also very important for you to still have money in your savings for those surprise repairs that need done and to continue your lifestyle of choice. Now, do you have a desire that you want to buy a home? You see, you shouldn't purchase a home just because others are. You think it's the next step you have to do when you're adulting. Although buying a home is a very strong financial investment, it also takes time and expenses to maintain. Now, if you've answered yes to most of these, then 2022 might just be the year to purchase your new home, and we are here to help. Just text 913-449-1950 for a time for us to meet and review if buying the home is the right step for you.